guys, I'm Emma and I'm an 11th grader at Okemos High School, and welcome back to the Action YouTube channel. Today I'm really excited to be filming episode 2 of my How to Crochet series. In today's episode we are going to be talking about how to make a slip knot, which you're going to need to put onto your crochet hook to start making something. So to make this, you're going to make 2 loops. And you're going to pass one through the other one and then pull your string tight. And as you can see, now when I put it on my crochet hook, I can pull it tighter or I can make it looser. So this is something that's really helpful and you're going to need to start all of your projects. So I'm going to go ahead and show you again. So I'm going to take it, make 1 loop, make another loop, and then put 1 loop through the other one. This is something that takes a little bit of practice, so if you don't get it at first and it ends up unraveling like this, so I just made my loop and I just made my loop and I made another loop. I put one into the other, but it unraveled. So there is a bit of technique to it, and if you guys practice it, you'll eventually get really used to it, and you'll be able to do it super quick and easy. So yeah, that's today's episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you keep reading and learning, and have an amazing day. Bye!